How to add device to Google Find Device and Google Find Hub. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, Google streamlined the Find My Device experience into a central app called Find Hub. This new system uses a global crowdsourced network that allows you to locate devices even when they are offline. So what you want to do is enable finding the device itself. You don't add a device from a computer. Instead, you authorize the device from its own settings. So what you want to do is go over to your settings application, scroll down, and then until you find the Google section. Once you go ahead and click on it, go ahead and click on all services. Then go over to Find Hub. So we're just going to go ahead and find Hub. And then once you go ahead and find it, it's going to be under personal and device safety. Go ahead and click on it. And then where it says allow devices to be located, go ahead and toggle that on. And then for the device to show up in your hub, you have to be properly linked to your Google account identity. So ensure your primary Google email is listed and account sync is active. And then what you can go ahead and do is all you got to do is go to your browser of choice. Like let's say I went here, and then you just got to go over to google.com/android/find. Once you go over to it, it's going to show the Find Hub. And then it's going to be showing your phone, and then that's it. You'll be good to go. Now you can refresh if you want to, where it says contacting device. You can play a sound, which is going to like play a loud sound from the phone automatically. You can mark it as lost, which is going to lock your phone so that no one can enter it or access it. Or you could just factory reset the device entirely to save your data.